First snow of 2022.
Yeah.
Waiting for the international market to open, but I guess it's not going to.
Mm, I should close this one, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Because the snow is coming inside my. I don't know, honey. Honey. Hey. Ooh. Ooh. See, look at my.
Broadcasting from Nolensville Road in Nashville, Tennessee. Snowstorm is here and more is coming. So we're gonna go home and stay safe. Yeah. Dancing angel.
Let's go.
Okay, talk. You talk.
Hi. So cold.
And we will show you more later. Bye bye. Now we are home. We made it home finally to record some more footage of the snow action. I guess we have about 2 inches of snow now, between 2 and 3. So we just decided to come back home and stay here till tomorrow and see what happens tomorrow. Okay?
We're going home now.
Huh?
I mean, we go inside now, honey.
This is your video you're hosting.
I feel cold, honey.
Okay. She's too cold to talk. Okay. Okay. That's all for now. Take care. And now she's playing in the driveway.
I will lay down and.
Really? Really? A snow angel? You're gonna do a snow angel? Okay.
Lay down?
Yeah. Then you're gonna be all covered in snow on the backside. Move your legs too. Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
She's making her first snow angel. And where? Okay. Well, you can kind of see it.
Look what happened.
Okay. Loretta's first snow angel there. Okay. Wonderful. Okay, you're going inside? I'm following you. Say something. Hun. Outro.
Bye. See you guys. It's cold.
So, snow is still small pieces but coming down heavier now at 11:38. Hope you can see it. It's difficult to see on a phone video. Hopefully it's showing up. On a video it looks like just a sprinkle here and there, but it's quite a bit coming down. Yeah, I can see a couple more inches coming if it's like this.